Okay, printer, it has been a while since we last talked about printer. I mean, that was like about 4 or 5 years back then when we moved into our previous office. Now we're in our brand new office and somehow we got a brand new printer as well. So this is the Pantum BM2300AW. It is a laser printer. This particular model is just a black and white and 3-in-1 model. So black and white means that they can only print black ink. 3-in-1, they can do copy, scan, and print. And we just got it set up right now. The process is relatively easy, but there is one thing you need to take care of, which is remove all the protective stickers from the printer. I mean, as in like stickers like all these blue stickers, and especially you need to take out the toner cartridge so that you can remove all the protective what do you call that, films, so that the print heads are not damaged during transport. So once we get it connected, there's this power button. All of these are touch operated and they should start warming up. Now, just like a lot of printers you have like since forever, nowadays you have more ways to use your printers apart from using it in a standard mode whereby you just stuff your paper in, connect it to your computer via a USB cable, then you can start printing without any issue. Just install the driver and that's it. But nowadays we all know all these items, they are internet connected. So you will need to set up Wi-Fi if you want to use your mobile phone to print, or if you want to print wirelessly from your, let's say, laptop or anywhere from the office. So what you have to do here is that when you turn on the printer, in case if you don't know how to set up the stuff, you can actually press the Wi-Fi button on the printer and then they will print a guide. They will print out a user guide like this. They even show you how to scan this QR code to download their mobile apps. Yeah, once we connect to Wi-Fi, then we can start print files from the app here. Let's say we just want to print this document. So once the information has been sent to printer, then it will start printing immediately. I believe we can put a timer here from the time we send the print command and the time it comes out.
The thing is super fast.
Yes, like I believe it takes less than 15 seconds or 10 seconds to receive your first page to coming out. And I mean, for a laser printer, this is their benefit. They can print really, really fast. And of course, for black and white quality, this is amazing. And of course, for a 3-in-1, there are also a couple of features you will have to take note of. For example, there is this scanner option. I mean, as usual, you can scan documents or even your ID. Nowadays, you still need to photocopy your ID if you want to do any government or official setup. So if I just want to copy from here, just press. There are a couple of functions. You can select scan if you want to scan the hard copy to save into a soft copy document. Otherwise, if you want just to copy itself, okay, you just press copy and there's a start button. It should start copying now. Again, maybe another timer. And yep, there we have it. A second copy of same document. Of course, this is like a very quick demonstration of how you can do it. 10, 20, 30 pages. I'm not too sure what is the limit here.
Quite thick lah.
Anyway, okay. Okay, let's say you have a stack of documents that you want to photocopy. So what you do is just basically put it up, load it in the paper loader here, and it immediately detect you are trying to do something. Document over here. Again, just press copy and then press start. They will automatically load them into it and then print them out all together. Now, as you can see, they already photocopy 2 different sets. Having a auto-loader is of course a benefit for those who want to print or photocopy a lot of the same documents. But since this is not the high-end model, they don't have the auto page turning feature, which means that you will have to like manually take it document again and then put it back for if you have a double-sided printings that you need to photocopy. And since nowadays a lot of your job are mostly on soft copy, I would say people would probably use the scan function more than the copy function, unless you deal with all those governmental or legal documents.
Okay, so I attended the launch event for this Pantum printer quite some time ago. So one of the features that they mentioned is that this thing can handle paper jam properly.
Yeah.
So what I want you to do is to tear the paper long side halfway.
Like this?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes.
Like this?
Halfway, not the whole thing. Halfway.
Again.
Halfway, not full, not all the way.
Okay. So you just want me to tear it halfway?
Yes, tear it halfway, long side.
Long side, tear it halfway.
Long side.
I mean, from here, just tear it halfway like this.
You can go a bit longer if you want. Okay, go.
Like this?
Yes.
So we just put it in. Usually, paper like this will definitely jam.
Yes, it's a printer's nightmare. Even if you load the paper like sideways a bit, it could potentially cause paper jam.
Yeah,
the last generations of printers.
I mean, most of the rollers, they are like just, yeah, they will tear it.
Okay, now print something.
So let's print something. Maybe we'll just photocopy
photocopy something.
Again,
some full page text.
Full page things. I wonder how are they going to. Okay.
Okay, let's see.
Oh wow.
At least it didn't complain, but the printing is actually
Oh my goodness.
flawless.
They actually print on it.
Yes, if you manage to tape the 2 parts back together,
Yes.
it should be flawless because the text is overlapping properly.
Yes. Oh my god, it looks so so amazing.
I want to see.
Come.
Yes, the text overlaps properly. You can see everything. Okay.
I mean, even on a torn paper like this, they could manage to print it out. I mean, you can expect it to handle all sorts of different types of paper.
You want to try again with crumpled paper?
Crumpled paper.
Yes.
Okay, let's take just this one. How crumpled you want it to be?
As much as you can. Like you found it in the trash. Yes.
Crumpled paper, oh my goodness,
Yeah. Let's say you run out of paper, you found some empty paper in the trash.
Yeah.
And you want to print.
I don't know how this is going to be, but
I don't even know how you want to load it in.
yeah, usually this is the challenge that.
Okay.
Will it take in the paper? Oh no, it skipped the paper. Let's try one more time.
Now we copy again.
We copy again, okay? Copy of the copy. Okay, let's copy once more. Let's go. We see how does this printer handle the crumpled paper. Oh my goodness.
Oh, the sound. Hey, it came out flatter than it went in. Perfect.
They help us flatten it.
Yeah, the crumple zones are a bit rough.
A bit rough, but hey,
Usable, eh?
it's usable.
100% usable, no
Come
problem.
on. It's usable. It's usable. Come on.
Look at this. 100% usable. Damn, this thing is amazing.
What the hell, man? What the hell?
Yeah, the paper's flattened compared to when we load it in.
Yes. I mean, they technically did iron it.
Sort of, yes.
Yeah. So yes, I think that is pretty much our first impression. Does there have anything to add?
No.
Okay.
There's also an app for this Pantum printer. It's pretty simple. You can remote print from your phone, print images and whatnot. Of course, this printer cannot print images like with color and whatnot.
Well, I mean, of course, the images will turn out to be grayscale. I mean, like this.
But the app is also applicable to other printers within their portfolio.
I mean, the functions are very simple. I mean, from just the app, the page itself, you can see on the screen. They straight away can tell you like whether you want to print a file or image, or like can scan from your cell phone camera.
As for the price of this printer, I remember it's quite affordable. It's like,
but we'll leave all the pricing on the screen.
Yeah.
Because for this type of model, black and white laser printer 3-in-1 is very suitable for SMEs, small medium business, because most of the time they just want to print documents. This is a very affordable option, especially if you want to print a lot, especially in the office environment.
Yeah, and it's also very fast, reliable, even with crumpled paper.
Reliable, affordable, good for SMEs.
And also, since this is a laser printer, it can last for a very long time before you change the toner.
Yes.
Have fun, sir. You got more stuff to print after this.
So yes. So if you guys have any questions about how to set up a printer, or how do you set up something, configuration, you can leave it down in the comment section below. I will be sure to reply them if we know how to do it. Otherwise, we can also direct you to the right person if you want to. So yeah, we will see you guys in the next video.
Yay!